All right, so let's do something simple. Since I've gotten this car, I know that there has been a plethora of issues with it. It is still a project. It does run and drive, but not as nicely as I would like it to. But I'm going to be doing some little love here and there. This is the beginning of that series. So first things first, I want to go ahead and change this guy, because look at it. Just look at it.
What the fuck is that?
Somebody took a little bite out of that, like they took a bite out of crime. I got to do a coolant flush. I'm planning on doing that tomorrow. As you can see, that water in there is disgusting. Ugh. Yeah, gonna be doing a major flush on the cooling system because the car does overheat a little bit. But cosmetically, I would like to have that changed. It doesn't affect performance at all. But with it being as old and brittle as it is, I want to get that off. So let's get started. All I'm gonna need is this little guy right here with, I believe this is an 8. Yep, 8 mil. Go ahead and take this piece off and buy the replacement piece. Just fell right off. Good HKS Mushroom filter. Well, not good anymore, but you can see it's just like flaking out of there. Definitely don't want this stuff getting sucked up into the motor, causing us issues down the line. So we're gonna be changing it. Get a good little pic for the thumbnail. There it is. And we'll be right back with the replacement. You can tell this thing really sat for a while. Look at all the rust. So I'm going to abrasively scrub this and just get the rust off, make it fresh so that it looks a lot nicer when we replace this filter. Look at this. This is disgusting. It's like a blown out yarmulke. Yeah, that's look at the dust it left, bro. That's crazy. And then, yeah, this thing needs to be touched up, given a new life. Very rusty, crusty, dusty. But oh my God, look at that. Look at that. Gonna have to give this thing a deep clean. And then I'm gonna throw the new filter on. Yeah, should be a lot better. My engine's gonna be a lot happier about this. Look what came in the mail. I had to rip this out so you guys don't know where I live and come and find me. But we got a replacement layer for our filter, because this is crazy. Can't be driving this thing around like this, having little pieces fly into my engine, causing it to blow. And my dad's also going to show me a trick he said he saw with vinegar that's supposed to get as much of that rust off, making it look dang near brand new.
24 hours later.
All right, so it's been about 24 hours. Let's see what this vinegar has done for this rusty filter housing. Wow, look at that. Wipes right away, like it was never there. I'm gonna need a little bit of buffing to get the thicker stuff out, but still, look at that. It's like brand new. Maybe not brand new, but it's a lot newer than it looked. That's for damn sure. Some good old vinegar, crazy.